Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on renewing your green card in 2026. We're focusing specifically on Form I-90, the official application to replace permanent resident card, to help you navigate this important process smoothly. This video is designed specifically for lawful permanent residents living in the U.S. whose 10-year green cards are either expiring soon within the next 6 months or have already expired, ensuring you maintain your legal status without interruption. It's absolutely crucial to start your green card renewal process within the 6-month window before your card's expiration date, as this timeline allows for a smooth and uninterrupted transition without any legal complications. Timely renewal is vital because delays can lead to serious issues, such as problems with employment verification, international travel restrictions, or difficulties proving your legal permanent resident status anywhere in the United States. Always remember this key point. While your permanent resident status itself never expires and remains valid indefinitely, the physical green card document does expire after 10 years, requiring you to renew it to keep proof of your status current and valid. Now, let's dive into a detailed step-by-step walkthrough of Form I-90, the application to replace permanent resident card, so you can fill it out accurately and confidently from start to finish. We'll begin with the personal and biographic information sections in Part 1, where you must provide accurate and up-to-date details about yourself, including your full legal name, current U.S. address, date of birth, and other essential identifiers. Next, in Part 2, you'll select your specific eligibility category from the available options, such as your card expiring within the next 6 months, or if it's been lost, stolen, or damaged in any way. Additional eligibility categories cover situations like never receiving your original card after approval, errors made by DHS on the card itself, or necessary changes to your name or other biographic information due to marriage, court order, or similar events. For filing, you have 2 primary options: filing online through the USCIS portal, which is generally recommended for its faster processing, real-time tracking, and convenience, or filing by mail if you prefer a paper submission. Moving on, let's discuss some of the most common mistakes people make when filling out Form I-90, so you can avoid them and ensure your application is processed without unnecessary delays or rejections. One of the most frequent errors is paying the incorrect filing fees. Currently, the base fee is $455, plus an additional $85 biometric services fee, but always check the USCIS website as these amounts may change by 2026.
Another common mistake is selecting the wrong eligibility category in Part 2, which can confuse USCIS reviewers, leading to significant processing delays or even outright rejection of your entire application.
Filing too early, such as more than 6 months before your green card expires, is a frequent misstep that USCIS may not accept, potentially causing you to restart the process later and lose time. Other critical errors include leaving fields blank with missing information, forgetting to sign the form where required, or submitting outdated supporting documents that don't match your current situation. To submit a complete and successful application, make sure to include all required supporting documents right from the start, avoiding any back and forth with USCIS.
These supporting documents typically include a clear copy of your current green card front and back, a valid government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport, and any official documents proving name changes, such as a marriage certificate or court order.
Once USCIS receives your filing, they will mail you a receipt notice on Form I-797C within 2 to 4 weeks, which automatically extends your green card validity for up to 24 months while your renewal is pending. You may also receive a notice for a biometrics appointment to capture your fingerprints and photo, and overall processing times for Form I-90 renewals typically range from 6 to 12 months, depending on USCIS workload. For expert help tailored to your unique situation, we strongly encourage you to reach out to ImmigraFlow today for personalized guidance throughout your entire green card renewal journey. Finally, always meticulously review every section of your forms and all supporting documents before submission, and be sure to make and keep detailed copies of everything for your own records in case you need them later. Thank you so much for watching this guide, and we sincerely wish you a smooth and successful green card renewal process in 2026. If you'd like step-by-step guidance to complete Form I-90 correctly and avoid common mistakes, you can get started today with ImmigraFlow using the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly green card updates, immigration tips, and step-by-step USCIS guides.